Today, the mother is worshipped as Mahagauri. Gauri means one who is very fair. A mother is always fair to the children. Sometimes children feel that mother is partial to somebody and not is neglecting someone else. But it is never the case. Mother is always and always fair to everyone. Mahagauri is that grand consciousness which is always fair, which is always benevolent. Gauri also means benevolent. Also the one who gives wisdom. The word Ga has 4 meanings. Ga means movement, wisdom, achievement, and liberation. So Gauri is one who gives you liberation. Our consciousness liberates us when it assumes magnificent form. When conscious assumes or realizes its vastness, its unbounded nature, its infinite nature, the same consciousness becomes Mahagauri, the great consciousness which is benevolent. So today we will meditate on the greatness of the consciousness, the benevolence of it, and being fair all the time. There is a saying, God has not been fair to this person, God has not been fair to us. This is such an illusion. God can never be unfair, and is never unfair. What appears to be unfair is an illusion. Is also doing some big favor. When a big favor comes your way, sometimes it appears to be not so favorable. So the Gauri is always favorable, the mother who always overlooks all the shortcomings, all the smallness and shortcomings of the child, and gives that unconditional love and supports and uplifts the life on the planet. So Mahagauri is that consciousness which does not sit on the shortcomings, but knows that this is all part of life and uplifts you to the higher goal of our life and higher nature of our own consciousness. That is herself, Mahagauri herself. So we will meditate invoking those qualities in our own consciousness, which is magnificent, magnanimous, compassionate, and loving. Yeah? Okay. Let's sit comfortably, easily. With our spine erect. Eyes closed. And have a big smile on your face. रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधा रखें, कंधों को ढीला छोड़ दें. मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते विश्राम करें. महागौरी 5 भूतों के रूप में हमारे भीतर बाहर व्याप्त हो चुकी है. Mahagauri, the mother goddess, is permeating us in the form of 5 elements inside and all around us. She is the heart of earth element. She is the essence of water element. She is the fire and the air as well. and above all that she is the space. That is what you are, your consciousness is. इस पृथ्वी की आत्मा है माँ गौरी, जल में वही है, अग्नि में वही है, वायु का रूप भी उन्हीं का है और आकाश रूप से हमारी चेतना में सदा विराजमान है माँ गौरी। सबका सभी भूलों को, गलतियों को एक साथ क्षमा कर दे। Forgive all the mistakes of all the people in the entire universe, the entire world. Like a flood of forgiveness washes out the entire past and brings the freshness of this moment. पुरानी सभी भूलों को एक साथ धो डाले क्षमा के रूप में। इस वक्त आप ताजा हो जाएं। भूलों में ही मन भटकता रहता है, उन सभी भूलों को माँ क्षमा करती है। ऐसे सब कृपा की एक बाढ़ में सब क्षमा हो गया। पृथ्वी की सभी भूलें समाप्त हो गई। Mother Divine is not away from you or different from you. You are inside her and she is inside of you. माँ दुर्गा तुमसे दूर नहीं है, तुम उसके भीतर हो, वो तुम्हारे भीतर है। अब विश्राम करें। All is fair, all is just right this moment. सब सही है इस वक्त। इस भाव से विश्राम करें, सब सही है। और जो सही नहीं लगता है वो भी माँ का ही खेल है, वह भी सही है. Whatever appears to be unfair is also the play of the consciousness of the Divine Mother. Let go of all the fair and unfair things and repose. सही गलत इन सब को छोड़ दे, थोड़ी देर के लिए अपने आप में विश्राम करें. Let go of all your efforts. सभी प्रयत्न छोड़ दें. This world belongs to the goddess who is of Sattva, Rajas and Tamas. यह दुनिया माँ की है जिसमें सत्व, रज और तमोगुण तीनों हैं. ये शरीर माँ का है. Our body belongs to the Mother Divine. Take a deep breath in and let go. एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़ दें. This mind and all its thoughts belong to the Mother Divine. यह मन और इसमें चलती हुई सही गलत सभी विचार माँ को अर्पण कर दें. सब माँ का ही है मन भी, जिससे आप परेशान हो जाते हैं. This mind of yours which troubles you the most also belongs to the Mother. Offer it to her. You know, all the feelings that arise in your body from the navel onwards, all the way to the eyebrow center and top of the head. These waves of feelings, storms of feelings, pleasant, unpleasant, offer them all to the infinite consciousness. नाभि से लेकर सिर के चोटी तक की चेतना में जो जो भाव उठते हैं हमारे शरीर, अच्छे बुरे सभी भावों को माँ को अर्पण कर दें। यही फूल है, भाव की कुसुम अर्पण कर दें। चाहे प्रेम हो, मोह हो, क्रोध हो, ईर्ष्या हो, जो भी भाव उठते हैं वे सब समर्पण कर दे, वे सब माँ का। अतृप्ति की भाव हो, तृप्ति की भाव हो, किसी भी तरह की चाह हो, वो सब समर्पण कर दें। चैन हो, बेचैन हो, वह भी सब माँ का है। Your peace and your restlessness, your frustration, your anger, whatever feelings are there, offer them all to the Mother. In fact, they all belong to the Mother Divine. All the rights and all the wrongs are offered to the Mother Divine as oblations. सब सही गलत सब कुछ समर्पण कर दो, खाली हो जाए। Become hollow and empty. Let go of everything. The ignorance in you is also Mother. So is the wisdom in your consciousness. Peace and joy is nature of consciousness, and so the stress and tension also part of the Mother's, part of the consciousness. यह अज्ञान और तनाव भी उसी का रूप है, होश और ज्ञान भी उसी का रूप है। जैसे रखे वैसे रहे। परम स्वीकार के साथ विश्राम करें। With the ultimate acceptance, repose in yourself. Accepting the transcendence, repose in yourself. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते। Om Shanti Shanti Shanti। धीरे धीरे शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाए। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते गहरी सांस लीजिए और धीरे धीरे छोड़े। Slowly and gradually become aware of your body and surroundings. And with a deep breath in and breathe out slowly and gradually. And you may open your eyes.